Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename or change directory in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do now is just to simply edit any files in GitHub. And to do so, we will need first to access our repository. And basically, you can access to your repositories either from the dashboard, like from here you will find your top repositories, or you can simply go here and you will find repositories, or by clicking on your profile picture, and then you will find your repository. So in my case, I'm just going to access my repository. Here it has many directories, and basically, we will be needing to go to any file and let's for example choose this readme or this docker file or whatever the file was, and basically we will be needing to edit this file. Now as you can see, the first thing that you can start editing is the file, but we are not interested in that. All we need to do is to start changing directory, and basically all you will be needing to do is to change the name of the file. So basically, you will need just to add your directories here. For example, you will need, for example, new dir slash another dir slash etc. And as you can see, it has created a new directories, and you can do the same by deleting the characters, and it will start changing the directory. So as you can see now, this file after committing, it will become directly into this file. And I'm just going to commit the changes and save. And as you can see, if we go back, we will find that our Docker file has been changed. So this is how you can start changing directories in GitHub. Thank you for watching and see you next time.